Making 100K a month from a side hustle might sound like a dream, but with the right strategy and effort, it's achievable in 2025. Focus on side hustles that have high earning potential and scalability. Proven ideas include dropshipping, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, freelancing or consulting, subscription services. Your digital footprint is crucial to growing any side hustle. Use social media, create valuable content, and build an email list to attract customers. To reach 100K a month, automation and scaling are non-negotiable. Utilize automation tools, outsource tasks, and invest in paid advertising. Choose niches with high demand and profitability, such as tech gadgets, online education, and personal finance. Continuously test your products, strategies, and stay consistent to see success. In 2025, build high-income side hustles with dedication and the right strategies.